Hello everybody, welcome back to another toy video. And here we have a Massey Ferguson combine harvester. It's in excellent condition. Made by a company called Britain's. I don't even know if the company still exists. It's the Massey Ferguson 760. This bit here comes out like that. You've got a little thing at the back that steers the wheels. Push that along the front cutters or whatever they're called, and this will move, and that lifts up. So we've got the little man inside. If we turn it over, everything's there, there's nothing missing. There you go, Massey Ferguson combine harvester in red. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing. It's totally free, doesn't cost you a penny. Hit the like button, it all helps. Hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.